Listen, Kitsune.
And his name is John C.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
I'm kidding. I want to play. Hi, Kitsune. Thank you for the biddies, bro. Oh my god. But I can't remember anything. It's a shame since I'm gonna fucking... Really? Y'all killing me. Y'all are killing me. Thank you all. Thank you, Boxcat, for the biddies. Oh my god, you guys. I'ma wait! Are you done? Are we done? Are we done? Are we good?
Kitsune Kumori cheered. X100. I came to the stream.
Oh, it is. Look at him. He is so precious.
Don't let your kids watch it.
Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine.
Are we fucking done? Are we fucking done now? Are you fucking done? Are you done? Are you done? That's a cute fucking dinosaur board dragon. That's cute as shit. Kitsune, I'm never buying you Apple Jacks again. I don't remember anything. It's a shame, since I'm sure someone as kind as him treated me with care. It's odd. Even I try to remember. Thank you for the hype train. Thank you, Aqua, for the babies. TNT Kitty, what do you want? TNT Kitty, who do you want me to hug? What the fuck did you guys do? Oh, okay. I was like, Kuda, are you stuck? Are y'all done? I'm gonna hug Grim. Y'all full of it. Y'all full of it. Even I tried to remember the past. My chest constricts painfully. Let's leave those memories for another time. What's more pressing now is that
A
I
few
think...
moments later.